Most people think gut problems are just bloating or indigestion, but you might be surprised what's happening behind the scenes. When your gut lining gets damaged, toxins leak into your bloodstream and force your immune system into overdrive, leading to brain fog, crushing fatigue, and stubborn weight that won't budge. I spent 3 months fixing my own gut, and my energy stabilized while that constant bloating disappeared. Over the next 10 minutes, I'm going to give you the exact 10-step formula I used to reverse years of damage in only 30 days. Let's start with the foundation, because the first 10 days are entirely about stopping the damage and preparing your body to actually start the healing process. Step 1 is all about removing inflammatory foods, so you need to cut out processed seed oils, refined sugar, and any specific triggers that make you feel sluggish. For most of us, that means saying goodbye to gluten and dairy for a while, as these specific foods keep your gut inflamed and prevent any real progress from happening. Step 2 requires you to drink 8 ounces of bone broth every single morning on an empty stomach. To amplify this, mix in a teaspoon of grass-fed gelatin powder. This combination strengthens your intestinal walls much faster since gelatin is pure collagen in concentrated form. The collagen and amino acids work to seal your gut lining, and since this step is foundational to the whole process, it really isn't optional. Step 3 introduces fermented foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, or miso paste to bring in the beneficial bacteria your body is starving for. You should start with just 1 tablespoon daily because these natural probiotics often work much better than expensive supplements during this early stage. Step 4 is where things get tough because you have to eliminate sugar completely to starve the harmful microbes that cause gut issues, even if it feels difficult during those first few days. Step 5 focuses on hydration, but plain water isn't enough when your gut needs specific electrolytes to function at its best. You should add a pinch of sea salt to your water or switch to coconut water to give your cells the mineral balance they need to recover. Step 6 introduces castor oil packs, which involve applying warm oil to your abdomen and using a heating pad for 20 minutes every day. This is an old-school remedy that actually works to reduce inflammation directly at the source. Step 7 adds slippery elm tea to your nightly routine to help coat your digestive tract and soothe any lingering irritation. If you drink 1 cup before bed, you will likely notice your stomach feels much less sensitive within just a few days. Step 8 brings hemp hearts into your meals to provide essential omega-3s and other nutrients your body needs. These are easy to use if you just sprinkle them on top of a salad or toss them into a quick smoothie. Step 9 is gentle movement. Walk for 15 to 20 minutes daily to help your digestion and put your body in the calm state it needs to heal. Once your gut has finally calmed down, we shift into the rebuilding phase, where the real healing starts to accelerate. The first thing you need to do is upgrade your bone broth by adding carrots and celery to the pot. These vegetables aren't just for flavor because they contain specific anti-inflammatory compounds that actually speed up the physical healing of your intestinal lining. Next, add moringa powder to your daily smoothies. It's mineral dense and gives your gut the nutrients it needs to repair itself. After 10 days of careful preparation, your body is finally ready to accept a quality probiotic. You should look for a multi-strain formula with at least 10 billion CFUs. And since you spent the last week prepping your system, these beneficial bacteria will actually be able to take hold. Drink 2 ounces of food-grade aloe vera juice mixed with water daily. It cools your digestive tract. Make sure it's food-grade because regular aloe can cause cramping. You should also introduce ghee into your diet very slowly, starting with just a teaspoon a day. Ghee is much easier to digest than regular butter and contains butyric acid, which is basically the primary fuel source for your healthy gut bacteria. You'll also want to sip on ginger tea 3 times a day to lower inflammation and help your body produce more digestive enzymes. This simple habit matters more than most people realize when they are trying to fix their digestion. For fiber and prebiotic support, stick with psyllium husk to feed your good bacteria. Just make sure you mix it with water and drink it immediately before it thickens up too much. During this phase, try to eat wild-caught fish at least twice a week to get those essential omega-3s. These healthy fats reduce the systemic inflammation affecting your gut lining. While farm-raised fish is cheaper, it will not give you these specific benefits, so it is worth spending the extra money. Spend 5 minutes every day on deep breathing exercises because stress directly damages your gut through the nervous system. The mental side of the process matters just as much as the food you are eating. Days 21 to 30 are focused on locking in results and building long-term gut-healthy habits. Now that your system is stronger, start expanding your fermented food variety with things like tempeh, kombucha, or kvass. Different fermented foods introduce different strains of beneficial bacteria, and variety builds a resilient microbiome. Introduce resistant starch by cooking potatoes or sweet potatoes and letting them cool completely before eating. When starch cools, it transforms into resistant starch, which is the favorite fuel for your good bacteria. You can get the same effect from green bananas or a bowl of cooled oatmeal. To fight lingering inflammation, start using turmeric paired with black pepper. Black pepper increases turmeric absorption, especially when taken with a meal that contains healthy fats. For an ultimate nutrient boost, try making bone marrow broth by roasting bones and simmering them for 24 hours. This nutrient-dense liquid accelerates healing during the final stretch. Try a gentle intermittent fasting schedule like a 12-hour overnight window where you do not eat. You are giving your digestive system a needed rest so it can focus on repairs instead of processing food. Add raw garlic minced into dressings or over veggies because it acts as a prebiotic and fights bad bacteria. Stir collagen peptides into your coffee or tea. Since they provide amino acids, your gut needs to stay sealed and strong. Pay attention to meal timing by eating your largest meal at lunch when your digestive fire is at its peak. Keep dinners lighter to help prevent nighttime inflammation and improve how you feel the next morning. Consider an L-glutamine supplement, taking 3 to 5 grams a day to fuel your gut cells directly. By day 30, you will have a clear map of which foods work for your body and which ones do not, so listen to your gut and stick with the plan. Most people start feeling a real difference by day 15 with steady energy and fading bloating. By day 30, the transformation feels permanent with stable energy and a properly functioning digestive system. Pick just one step from the first 10 days and start it this afternoon because this system builds a foundation one brick at a time. That is the exact 30-day gut healing formula that turned my health around and helped hundreds of others. Your gut wants to heal itself. It just needs the right roadmap.